Hello students, welcome to very refreshing chapter of history, chapter 9, the caste and reforms. Here you will learn about the caste system and the reformers who actually prohibited and aborted many things like sati system, widow remarriage, child marriage, and the caste reformers. So let's discuss. The word caste is derived from the Portuguese casta, meaning lineage, bred, or race. The caste system is a social hierarchy in which society is divided into groups. These groups determine what labor you can do and your level of spiritual priority. Now, here I have explained that the caste word has been derived from which word, what does it means, and why it is divided into groups, what labor, and many things. Then, caste system placement in the social hierarchy is based upon one's birth. Essentially, you fell into the same caste as your parents. Number two, people cannot move up or down to different caste or levels in their lifetime. It was believed that your righteous life and good karma brought about reincarnation to higher caste, and a wicked life sent you lower in the caste system. Okay, so here you can see a graph. Here it is a Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Alright, a division of caste system. Origins of the caste system. The Indian caste system is rooted in the religion of Hinduism. It was also utilized by Aryans invaders 4 to 5,000 years ago to enforce social control in India. Then it is still powerful influence of Indian life today in shaping economics, politics, and culture. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was one reformer among all. He founded the Brahmo Samaj in 1828. He abolished sati system and child marriage. He was advocated widow marriage. He was condemned to polytheism. He stood for modern education for all. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, he worked for the cause of emancipation of women. Due to his efforts, legal obstacles to widow remarriage were removed by a law in 1856. Then he promoted education among girls and set up institutions for them. He is none other than Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. You know him very well. That the constitution was just being started with him only. He was the man who wrote the constitution. Now founded by his Kriti Hitkarani Sabha in 1924, fighting for the rights of untouchable, that is lower caste. And the Constitution of India gave the reservation for SC and ST, that is scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, as well promote for education to untouchable lower caste. Mother Teresa, serving the needy and poor peoples in society. Then second, opened the missionaries of charity for treatment and care of untouchables disease. 3, made 20 missionaries home for street children. 4th, opened Nirmal Hruday House, Shishu Bhavan, Nirmal Candy Home, Shanti Nagar, City of Peace. Mahatma Jyotirba Phule, he movement against upper caste domination and Brahmanical supremacy, founder of Satyashodhak Samaj in 1873, abolition of caste system and socio-economic inequalities, as well spread of education among women and lower caste people. He is none other than Mahatma Gandhi. He was called the father of nation. He resolved the problems of farmers. He women empowerment, as well as uplift the lower untouchable caste and use the word Harijan for them. So now it is over. I think so the things are clear to you very well. Thank you.